name is Amber Brewer, and I am a certified neurofeedback practitioner, and I am the owner and operator of Untangled Minds Neurofeedback Clinic located in Oxford, Nova Scotia. Everything that we do at Untangled Minds Neurofeedback Clinic is grounded in brain neuroscience. We help people understand who they are through understanding how their brain works and why that matters to how they think, feel, and behave. I am so passionate about neurofeedback and brain health education. I believe that it can transform anybody's life just the same way that it did mine. In certain situations, neurofeedback is actually proven to be more effective than traditional medications. Anybody that suffers from ADHD, anxiety, depression, or PTSD, it's amazing for you. It will help you rewire the parts of the brain that are stuck and are preventing you from moving forward. And a lot of people think that you have to, have a disorder or have a problem before you come in. But in this space, there is a huge amount of people that come in for peak performance. We understand that working out, exercise, proper diet is really healthy for our bodies, but neurofeedback is like exercise for the brain. Just like how we exercise on a daily basis to maintain our health, we can exercise our brain to maintain our mental health. I've not only seen the power of neurofeedback with my clients, but I've experienced it myself. And in fact, it was my own experience that inspired me to bring it here. And I wanted everybody else to be able to have that same opportunity. I think people are really interested in searching for more holistic approaches, and they want to move away from these cookie cutter solutions. They're looking for something different, and neurofeedback provides that. It's amazing how we can actually have data to see our changes. We're not just relying on asking how somebody feels. I can do an assessment on somebody and then they'll receive a 30-page printout of what their brain looks like. We can measure their brain before and after the treatment, so we know for sure that they're moving forward in their sessions. I've made it my mission to help people reimagine their mental health by helping my clients one brain at a time. For anybody who's interested in learning more or booking a consultation, they can reach me on my Facebook or on my website at Untangled Minds Neurofeedback Clinic. I actually have an intake form. I get to know you a little bit and we will make an appointment to either meet in person or meet online or a phone call. But if they're anywhere in the world, I also offer remote neurofeedback training. So with those clients, I actually am able to send them a neurofeedback kit. And I work with them on a weekly basis from the comfort of their own home virtually. So I can help anybody no matter where they're at in the world.